forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, click on the notification bell for you to get notified whenever we upload our videos. In case for those of you who promise we sell creams, I want to tell you all that we sell skincare, organic materials, skincare recipe, cosmetic as well. So in case you're looking for where to buy your skincare recipe or organic ingredients, so as for those of you in abroad, wherever you are, all you need to do just call at us with a number on your screen. You can always call at us and we will get you at a low price. Trust me on this one. Okay, today we'll be talking about skin-free milk. Wow, isn't that amazing? Skin-free milk, this is a lightening and whitening oil, because they say it's a milk, so don't be deceived, it's not a milk at all. As a matter of fact, I know some people, they often want to use it as a direct contact to their skin. It's not advisable. Don't be deceived because they said skin-free milk. So, oh no. When you do that, I mean, before you know it, you end up inviting some other skin irritation to yourself. So, my only advice to you is this: if you want to use skin-free milk, because first of all you have to know what it really contains, the combination of that serum, because they said it's a milk, is not, it's a hot oil, it's a bleaching oil, like when someone say bleaching oil, it is what it is. Really talk about that. So let me tell you, and it also contains that the same. It also contains clobetasol propionate. Are you getting it? Yes, it's made of that. You understand it? And some people they use it with glutathione comprion, but fine. Yes, it goes together. It goes together. You can use it. It's a good combination also to Promix your cream. But I would want you to use, if you want to use, to my own suggestion, if you want you to use a base cream for it, you should use something like you should use a lotion like this, like Gluta Plus Wink White. So I think that should be a nice one to give you a very complexion that y'all want to say, because skin-free milk is a bleaching serum that will always give you that desirable color you needed. You understand? So, but if you apply it to your skin as a direct contact, I think it might be somehow too harsh on you. And how do you apply? Maybe you want to apply it to a lotion, or a lotion of about 200 ml or 500 ml. Okay, yes, let's use 500 ml. You want to apply to a lotion of 500 ml as your base. Okay, I would say not putting oil into it, because some people, because they just want to look flawless, so you think you put, it's a hot bleaching cream, it's a serum, it's a hot bleaching serum. So you putting oil into your skin, and some people say it doesn't work on my skin that way, blah blah blah. Yes, I agree to that, but the day it will disappoint you, you're not going to believe it. You won't see it coming. Return, I won't know, because this skin you see is, it's something you need to maintain, not destroying it. I don't advise you doing that, because you will look white. Oh, enough of all that. I want to get white. I want to get toned. So I should use all of the skin-free milk. No, I will advise you to take at least 2 spoon or 3 spoon into 500 ml. Yes, and if you use it, like as I told you, if you're looking for any lotion to blend with it, I would advise you to use that Gluta Plus Wiki White. Yes, Gluta Plus Wiki White. That should be the best I would advise you to use with as your base. Those two combination. Wow. Then if you want to apply your glutathione comprion, fine, it's still okay that way. But you using it, I said, like a lady called me the other day. She was saying that I don't know if she asking me or she want me to just give her an idea. But she was like, I don't know, like I use this skin-free milk on my skin and I try to see some change. So okay, I quickly answer the question. So now you asking me, should I give you an idea? You say, not really. I just want to know if it's okay. So why do you want to know if it's okay to you? Fine, you can use it. But I will advise you it's not okay because someday it's gonna disappoint you. Don't be deceived that oh it works with my skin, it works with my skin better off that way when I apply as a direct contact. No, come on man. Like as I just said before now, I told you it's a hot bleaching cream. So you should step it down with some of that base, and the base you need to use, it should be a fantastic base that will always blend with it. So and also I will always want to advise you to use Belle Eclat or Kenacol, to miss it. Are you getting it? To avoid all this varicose vein and green vein, So because without beta, you can just use some combination you don't know about. For those of you, and let me tell you something again. For those of you who don't know how to premix that, because you see people love cream, mixing cream, so they say premix for me, you premix to get some money. For those of you who don't know how to premix, don't go give people bad combination. Are you getting it? So I would always want to advise you to use your Kenacol, your Belle Eclat Kenacol to actually to make it go very well. So there won't be any blemishes, there won't be any skin irritation, there won't be something, because yes, it can give you some irritation, can cause melasma, and it gets you some other effects like green vein, varicose vein, and spider webs also. So with the help of that Belle Eclat Kenacol, I think that can really make the cream work very well. So these two combination, Belle Eclat Kenacol and skin free milk, and then when you mix them together, and so like you put three spoon of the skin free milk to that 500 ml of that lotion as a base. Then you put the Belle Eclat Kenacol to it, and like 3 spoons also. I think is a good combination. Don't say because you will get white, and then so because it will always make you white. We all know that. So you want to get white and you make all everything. It will look messy. Your skin will look messy. Yes, I've seen somebody that he sent me photo. He's a guy. He sent me photo of his skin. And so I was like, so I mean, what's up? This this one is really way beyond me. I don't know what to say. I advise you go see your dermatologist to go work that out for you. So it's not really, I mean, come on, that is advisable. You just cannot pick on a cream because you just see, I think this combination is good for this, so I want to get this, so it will work for me. Never. It's not work that way. So I will advise you, in case that you're looking for a better option, make sure that the base you will get, it should be 500 ml. Then when you're adding your skin free milk, it should be 3 spoons. Yes, 3 spoons, and it's best used at night. You understand? Even you can also use that Belle Eclat Kenacol to use as a serum. You can use it for some other organic ingredient like shea butter. Yes, you can use it to premix that to use for yourself. Are you getting it? If you know how to premix, if you know how to mix. Otherwise, you go meet people, professional who are meant for that. Don't say because I watch a video and I be told that I can do it myself. No, that's not what DIY is really meant for. Yes, I tell you, that's not what DIY is really meant for. You should have an idea about it. So are you getting it? So you can use your Kenacol, hence this shea butter. Yet you can use it, but then it would have really mixed together, and when you apply it to your skin, for those of you who don't like much more whitening, you just want to moisturize, fine, that will give you another good understanding complexion. There won't be any mess on your skin. So I will always advise you that whenever you use your free skin milk, you should always go with your Kenacol. You understand? Yes, you should always go with your Kenacol. And another thing I want to make you understand also, Skin free milk is for professionals. Yes, it's for professionals because don't say because you watch a video and then you've known how to mix already. Or no, basically this skin free milk is being meant for professionals, those who promise, those who know about promixing. So it's not just for you and I that, oh come on, he talked about it on video, like I've known how to do it already, so let me just have this done. No way, it's not done that way. So with the little we've said about now, let me not take much of your time. You've now understand what you can use to promise your cream when you are using skin-free milk. I know some people use it direct to themselves. For those of them that want excessive whitening or lightening, that is too risky. Yes, don't let anybody fool you. This skin you see is a precious. I told you, it's a precious thing. It's our priority. We're in here to guide you through. Don't say because you want to get whitening to mess your skin up. Never. So we've come to the end of the program. Don't forget, like as I said before now, if you're into promixing, you want to buy your ingredient for skincare, recipe or cosmetic, you can always call on us. Being anywhere you are, we can send all this to you. Anywhere, being in Canada, in US, London, where any part of the world, we can send these things to you. We can send these ingredients to you. So trust me, in case today is your first time, like as I told you, subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. So until we come your way next time, stay tuned.